Kids, ladies, and gentlemen, I am Master Mike. Time to play and trash talk another person. Probably with the King's Pawn or Queen's Pawn. Or maybe I might even go English if anyone dares me. So let's just do this already. But first, like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos. And I'm 7. Alright, let's just go there. Dude, why does that say custom position? That's the stupid English opening. Dude, why should you go there? What? Book move. Panda do 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 do. Panda, the panda. Nothing in the panda. Panda, panda, panda. Nothing in the panda. Panda, panda, panda. What? Go there. I smell a trap. Okay, just go there. It's fine. I want to trade the bishop. There? Now give me that. Bum 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 bum. This is stupid. That my opponent is the worst player ever. What the? Oh my god. That my opponent was so stupid. That guy was just stupid. Dude, that should be a blunder. There should be one blunder made by him. Alright. New 10-minute I'll just do. Stop! Frick! Play a 1200! No! Please! Don't make me do this! What? Don't make me... Frick. I'm doing it again. Go, old no defense. Develop my knight, let's go. Conk. Chew. What? Get away, my man! Get up! Yeah. Mr. Meter! I found the garden! Boing. Come on! Come on! Dude. Skibbity Riz, man. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz! Dude, Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. 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 Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz. Dude, I think canceling is actually fine in this position. You can't attack with your pawns. With the he gonna. I gotta get peace activity. Oh shucks. Here there is. And oh no! The attempt totally failed. Unless he misses the move. That's an unlucky frick. I mean, damn it. Dude, what if I go queen here? Oh, that's a brilliant move. That's a brilliant move. This is a brilliant move because it takes check. Oh, frick. He goes there, don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Be happy. Brewing queen sack coming your way, baby. I'm gonna do. Now I just take, and if you take, I win the queen. Dude. Eh. I'm doing good. It's a double attack.
Hey Mike, who you playing against?
I'm playing against this one dude.
Jaggy 7K from Canada.
Yeah, let's just take this pawn as check. If he takes my rook, what's he dead?
Any highlights so far?
I'm threatening mate, so you have to go something like queen here. And I just maybe go here. If you keep on attacking my bishop, I just go here and trade queens. But if you don't, I just win some pawn. Alright, he just goes there. Yeah, there. He's pretty much expected to go somewhere like there. And then there. Takes, and you push. I go here. See, old Benoni is good. It's kind of good. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi da we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi da we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi da we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi. Skibidi dibbidi skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi da we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi da we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum, yes. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi dum we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi dum we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi dum we deep deep. Skibidi dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi dum we deep. Skibidi 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 dum dum dum, yes. Skibidi 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 skibidi. Skibbity riz 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 riz, skibbity riz 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 riz, skibbity riz riz riz. My pawns are coming for you. Skibbity riz, skibbity skibbity riz, skibbity riz, skibbity skibbity riz, skibbity riz 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 riz, skibbity riz is, skibbity riz, skibbity riz is, skibbity riz is, skibbity riz is, skibbity riz, skibbity. Riz. Skibbity it's skibbity it's skibbity 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 dum 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 skibbity dolly deep deep skibbity dum dum dum. Oh, let's do a rematch, right? Bro, I'm going late. What do you play? I'm not grass, bro. Mattress, a mattress. A mattress, bro. I'm actually mattress. I'm a scat man, I'm a scat man, what? Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you. I'm doing a goal to reach 1150 right now. I'll just do Fry Deliver. Huh? Already? Yeah, let's just create and get his queen in the middle. And attack is queen. Oh no! How? Skip I was that mess to be done and I lose Alright, let's just castle. Yeah, let's just castle, dude. I'm mad. I'm mad. Crash, bro. I'm mad. Crash, bro. I'm still. Alright, I have to win. I just need to win this one game. And I made my goal. I'm mad trash, bro. I'm done with the first game. That doesn't mean I'm done with the second. Uh-huh. Okay. Please just win this, Mike. I'm mad trash, bro. I'm a scat man. You have to just go like back all the way. Yeah, I'm gonna go back here. Only there, why? Because, you know, I didn't let off assault happen. I have an even better move than actually making my home. Oh! Mad, bro. I'm mad trash, bro. Hmm. Calculating. Alright. Yeah, it's there. Looking. Now I can push. Oh, did he just blunder? It was a blunder. Wait, go here? Is this going to? Which is on it? Oh! Blunder, no. But if queen goes back. I'm mad trash, bro. I'm mad trash, bro. Get a pawn. Just win a pawn. No! I did not want this to happen. Yeah, give me Riz. Dude, we're playing out so quickly. Let's just go here. Let's go here. Anyway, what's up? So there, maybe even there. Giant. Iowa. Oh, night takes it. Oh, that was a blunder. Big blunder. That would have been a blunder. God. Look at my plate. Wow. Yeah. What is that plate? I'm not trash, bro. I'm not. I'm not trash, bro. And bro. Na. Wonder chicken. Whopper, burger. I started another game.
No, you can't play 3 games in a row. Over your audience.
I've only done like 15 minutes of video. The last time was literally 16 minutes.
Well, you have to finish this because we
And
can't have
Gotham
these.
just literally does like 29 minutes every time.
Well, let's do this time. I think we're making shorter videos, okay? So when this is done, can you please just sign off your audience? And then you can get me and I'll stop it, okay?
This is how you should play in your game. This is how you should play.
Make sure to narrate to your audience what you're doing.
So, what I'm doing is trying to attack. And Skibbity Riz. Skibbity Riz! Chicken. Bloopers! 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 Oh! Ah. He's thinking if I go here, and he goes, oh! Whoa. Hey, 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 hey. Wah, 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 wah. It's not free. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Not it. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, wait, he's over there. Yes. Now I can go there. Not yet. It's my opponent. I have 5 minutes. He has 6.
Who are you playing against?
Tikto,
I think it's Tico.
Actually, I think it is now. 1,000.
And what country is he from? Where's she from? What country?
The country she's from? She's from
What is that flag?
Democratic Republic.
The Congo? You
No.
sure? What's that flag? You know?
Got it.
What's that flag?
No, I know the flag, but I forgot the name. The Dominican Republic!
Oh, cool.
Alright. Is he gonna go here? Is he? Is he? Is he?
Are you in the view of the camera?
Is he going to do it? No, is he? Is the question. Alright, he didn't go there. So now I go here. If night here, I just pin. Because if he takes, then I go here and that's just absolutely pin. You can't. Oh.
What? Why'd you say shoot?
Because you can defend the knight, actually.
Oh, well, you gotta say it out loud. So,
Still actually works. It still works. It still works. Oh my god.
look at that thing just come on.
I have no idea. We could have takes there. Oh, he can actually take because it's attacking Myra too. Then take. Oh man. This guy's good.
Tico 10011 is good from Dominican Republic.
Wait. Oh, don't worry. I gotta defend my pawns. I don't know what to do. I have no idea what to do.
Mm.
Oh, I might be able to go here. And then sack her up. Well, if he doesn't go here, which is. Oh, frick, he could also go there. Yeah, there. And then I'm gonna go here and here. Because the pawn's defended. Yeah, it has to be there. Because if takes. I take the pawn and this promotion is unstoppable. After this. Yeah, but his knight is blocking it.
Oh, yeah. That's why you're playing the test. You two, not me.
Yeah, the bishop's defending the pawn, though. So that if the king just tries to capture the pawn, good luck with that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get their pawns. Make isolated pawns. Yes, you push. Takes. Takes there. I go there, and there, and I just win all the pawns. There. And now I go there.
For Tico? Oh, there you go.
Yeah, I capture one of the pawns. I captured the second pawn. I check the king. And then I go. Alright, now I go here. And I just take the third pawn and I win. Surely. But I gotta kind of hurry up. Yeah, let's go there. Now just push to promotion. And go there. I push, kicking the knight. Except I'm running out of time. Approved news, century stupid news. Alright, take off position. Jabita the Waka, Jabita the Waka, Jabita the Waka. You're forced to give up your knight. But I still don't take it. Because if I do, it's stalemate. There. Oh! Knight sack. I'm gonna make that king run away. Oh, frick.
Oh, he just drew right at the end? Oh, weren't you gonna win?
Yeah, until we traded. A pawn on the edge of the board cannot promote unless the king is unless the king is ahead of the enemy king.
Oh, that was a great thing. Why don't you sign out to your viewers?
Bye!
From what channel?
Bye! Master Mike just signing out. Like and subscribe to see more videos. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.